Hello everybody, welcome to at NEET Physics by your video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve an MCQ in the chapter Nature of Physical World and Measure. Okay, what is the problem, sir? Let's see the problem. In the length and the time period of an oscillating pendulum have errors of 1% and 3% respectively. Respectively means what? The error in the measurement of length is 1% and the error in the length of time period is 3%. Okay? Then the error in measurement of acceleration due to gravity is how much? This is the question. You are given four options: 4%, 5%, 6%, and 7%. Okay? You know the formula for expression for the acceleration due to gravity is G is equal to 4 pi square L divided by T square. Okay, 4 pi square L divided by T square. Here, error in length 1% and error in time period 3%. So the error in the measurement or the calculation of delta G is equal to delta L by L, error in length, plus delta T by T plus delta T by T. Why we have 2 times delta T by T? Because the formula you have T square. So whether we have to multiply it or add, sir, definitely add. In the case of error measurement, you must add for the powers. So delta L by L plus delta T by T plus delta T by T. So delta L by L 1%. Delta T by T 3%. So 1 plus 3 and 1 more 3. So 7% is the answer. Okay, option D, 7% is the right answer. So we will see one more MCQ in this chapter in our next video. Till then, thank you one and all.